Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for those of you who may have seen it, I did a previous video where I designed and constructed a backdrop stand for my YouTube filming space. So if you'd like to see how I took that stand and how I incorporated it into the design you see behind me, then stay tuned. So welcome to my little corner of the YouTube universe. I'm super pleased with how this turned out, and I hope you guys like it as well. So without further ado, if you want to see a sneak preview of what my backdrop looks like, then let's jump in. So now that you guys have seen what my filming space looks like, I just want to let you know that it didn't cost me a thing in terms of the actual design of the studio itself, of the backdrop I should say. I had this curtain from before. I just ran it through the top horizontal bar of the backdrop stand, and I hung some Christmas lights along the bar as well. So that's what you see directly behind me. I got this plant. I felt like I needed some greenery in the space, and I also have this other plant as well. I had this stand from before. I just put some of my natural hair products here as well, and I made this little keepsake from vacation in Barbados a couple of years ago. So that's basically what the backdrop looks like, and as you could see, everything I had from before. So you don't have to go out and get anything expensive. Just get creative and find things in and around your home that could just kind of brighten up the space. And of course, you don't need a huge space. As you would have seen in a previous video, the backdrop stand is only 5 feet in width, so literally I just have 5 feet of space. So that's all you need to have a really nice backdrop, especially if you're an aspiring YouTuber. Even if you are already a YouTuber and you just want to get some inspiration, you could take anything you see here and just kind of modify it to you, and I hope that I could give you guys that type of inspiration. So that is basically what I have behind me. So in terms of my actual filming setup, in front of me, my camera is directly in front of me that way. The window is also there as well, so I have light coming this way, and I have 2 lights that I recently bought, so that's why the quality of my videos have improved, hopefully. I'm sure it has. So I have these 2 lights at the 45-degree angle from me. Both of them are, let's say, 3 feet apart. And in terms of my camera settings, the ISO is set to 500, the shutter speed is at 60, and the aperture is at 4.5. And that 4.5 aperture helps to get a little bit of the blurry background. My camera is maybe like 4 to 5 feet away from me. So yeah, that is basically my filming setup, the backdrop, and how I have the lights and the camera and everything set out. So again, if you are an aspiring YouTuber, you're ready, or you're now starting to make videos and you want to just get an idea of how the setup is, then that is basically my setup, and that's what has been working for me, and I really like it. Again, I said I'm really comfortable. So if you guys like my video, you like the improvement in quality of my video, then please like this video, comment down below and let me know what you guys like about this space. Also, let me know any tips and tricks that you have for designing your filming space, and any type of camera settings that you use, any improvements you think I could make. And I also encourage you to subscribe to my channel. I assure you that you will not regret it. I make videos weekly on natural hair, or basically hair videos, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of DIY, as you can see as well. So do subscribe to my channel if you would like to, and as well hit the notification bell while you're at it so that you're notified every single time I post a new video. So again, I thank you guys so much for watching. It means a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Peace.